What up, what it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another banger for you guys. Y'all already know what's up. If you ain't subscribed to this channel yet, what I always say, smash that red button, because it don't cost me nothing, it don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Y'all see the squad. Nah, not that one. That one ain't with us. Right there, and then you see Pablo Savage joint way back there. But if y'all see my last video, y'all already know we are here in Dallas, technically Ennis, Texas, which is about 30-something minutes south of Dallas. But we are here for the YouTubers call out, aka the big showdown with Demonology and Dump Master. But today is Friday, so CJ on 32s, Stunner Reese, and Rail to Rail are hosting a YouTube meet and greet up in Dallas. So we about to head up there and see what's popping. We already running late, but show must go on. So let go. Y'all already see the squad. That's my dog, Real SRT. Make sure y'all give y'all a close-up of his IG. Boom. I don't know if he actually corrected that or not, but it's a Real SRT. Matter of fact, I'm just posted right here in the video. But this yellow thing is sexy. Y'all already see Nunu bagged out. And y'all see my boy Garage Driven's whip bagged out as well. That destroyed great thing. Everything bagged out. Everything bagged. Everything bagged. What I say right here. Only bags. And my dog Paulo out there. I don't know what he doing. I'm about to go over there and see what's up. Got the squad. The squad. How you doing? You camera shy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, get unshy, because you on camera now.
I'm used to being behind the camera.
Oh, okay. All right. Now I see how you be. Now I see how your videos come together so good now. Y'all already know it's my boy Garage Driven right there. A Real SRT. Y'all already know that yellow thing. You want to shout it out? Go ahead and shout it out. Show it. What's your IG? What's your IG? What's your IG?
Ladies, let's ride.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to post it right here for everybody to see. And y'all already know my dog, Pablo Savage, as always, in the building. And he got the t-shirt.
Don't get them pre-orders in, man.
Y'all got the merch.
Get the pre-orders in.
Y'all got the merch. Y'all see that Daytona thing sitting right there. That's his baby right there. That thing all clean and stuff. But, man, hey, tell him what we about to do, dog.
Man, right now we headed to the pre-meet for the YouTubers call out, hosted by Real to Real, CJ on 32s, and Stunner Reese. I don't know if everybody showed up, but that's supposed to be who hosting the thing. They told us when we was in Tampa, pull up. So guess what we did? We
pulled up. Duval in the building. Y'all already know what it is. All right, so we got everybody. We about to slide out to this meet and greet, and I'll catch y'all out there. They go. All right, so we done made it to the spot. It is big, big. Like, they ain't even have no parking over there for us. We had to park all the way over here on this side. They trying to charge us to park. So we trying to figure something out, because Garage Driven and Modern Day Muscle, they with the Free Smoke squad. Big shout out to Free Smoke. Fat Cat unfortunately could not make it this weekend because he had other obligations to go to Atlanta to Pork and Torque this weekend. So they dividing and conquering, which is big love on their part. But Free Smoke got a special invite to attend this YouTube meet and greet. So they went over there to talk to Rail to Rail, CJ on 32s, and Stunner Reese to see about this parking situation. But because we're not trying to pay for the park, and especially if we're not even in the mix. So we're gonna see what's happening. Got my dog Paulo pulling up in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let me get out of his way. Got Modern Day Muscle over here, Garage Driven. Real SRT, you know what I'm saying? Oh, snap, look who we got, him. That thing looks cleaner in person, dog. Got another thing looking good right here. Okay, y'all see it, Gonna follow that thing. I see it.
Across the street.
In the street?
Yeah, let's go across. Yeah, I told him. Well, you know what? I never see Pablo here. I told him I have 4 cars, but whatever. Let's go.
All right, bet.
There's parking there.
All right, bet. All right, bet. YouTubing on a budget in this bit. And he got the flow and center caps. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. That boy sitting dope. Got your boy Modern Day Muscle in the building. Y'all already see it.
Free smoke.
Free smoke.
Yep.
Y'all already see it. Free smoke.
Y'all already
free
know.
Smoke. My boy Garage Driven. You know what I'm saying? You already know. Got my boy the real S-R-T. You know what I'm saying? In the building. Boy, I'm telling y'all, Nuno looks so good, man. Look at that. Got some things out here.
Something jumped off for real over there?
Yeah. Yeah, you got a point.
Yeah.
So, we ended up...
told us, yo, just go ahead and pull up one over here, let us in.
Yeah. So, he got a point. We're just going, you know what I'm saying, we're just going to end up paying to park here because if something ever pops off over there, we're going to be stuck over there. So, over here, we actually got good spots to be able to pull out right into the street and get up out of here. So, it's packed over there, so hope you guys enjoy the footage. Let go, man. I don't know, the beast pulling up in that bit.
Save me a spot, man.
Y'all see that boy? Go and check him out. Go and check him out.
Oh, y'all came all the way from Florida.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
JV in the building.
I'm on the
Go and shout it out, big
Hey,
dog.
man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Y'all ain't came this far, man. Make sure y'all go and get my boy, go and get me a subscriber, and go and get my boy subscribed as well, man. Don't be watching these videos and not subscribing to the channel, man.
Squad.
For real.
Squad.
For real. Let me go and get me a spot before they steal.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
joint,
sir.
bro.
Y'all check that boy out, man. That boy's sick and lovely. So we're gonna try to cross this highway. Not highway, but y'all get what I'm saying.
Everybody go out together.
Right. We ride together, we die together. Gonna shout it out for my people, big dog. Where they gonna find you at?
Dog. Certified all the way. My boy, Free Smoke, bottled them. You already know, man.
Yeah, you already know. Already know. Y'all see that girl? Hi, for Jeremy Barrett. Y'all already know. Got your big dog rail to rail right here. Go on, shout it out, big dog.
Man. Come on, man. We turned up for the city. Oh,
already
man, we got people still coming in.
What's up, big dog? Go on, shout it out, man. Go on, shout it out.
This is like Jerry Barrett, man. You see it all right here,
Hey,
man.
make sure y'all check them out.
Appreciate all love and support, man.
For sure, for sure. Got the bloody cat out here. You know, we got your boy Mott to Fang, you know what I'm saying? In the video. Hey, I'll race you in this.
Get it. What's up, young lady? You made it all the way through. Wow. Listen, I feel special. I'm with Florida 2 weekends in a row.
I told you we were coming. I told you we were coming. Y'all already see it.
Hey, I'm ready to race anybody. Look,
that merch hurt.
don't nobody want it with this Tesla from a dig. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all, they don't want it from a dig, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, baby. Yes, sir. You know we out here, son. Free smoke. That's what we're doing. We're giving out free smoke. Hey, give us some free smoke with that. Don't know you.
That's my hot to fame. shout it out where they gonna find you at.
Simone_my_SS.
Okay. Hey, y'all see it right here. You know what I'm saying? Go check out that my baby dog. With the doors up, bro. Ooh, that bit pressure. That bit pressure. And he got the bloody guts in that mug.
Make sure you good, bro. Yeah, that's it. That's all.
Don't check them out, man.
Yeah, it is fast. They fast though.
Boy,
They fast.
that bit big pressure.
Excuse me, pressure.
Boy, they coming through heavy, big dog. Heavy. Get money chase, y'all already see it. Make sure y'all got down, subscribe and follow. Boy. Yeah, trap pop is sexy, boy. Y'all see it? Porch Hawk. Y'all see it? Y'all make sure y'all check that boy out. That's clean. I see that thing. Y'all see it. That's dope. Got the real Nova in the building.
Yeah, so I'm the first. I don't like saying that, but I really is valid. I really am the first person with a 2021 red eye charger that y'all tried to work with, and they failed. They failed. I'm waiting on them. So I sent them my PC and they sent me back and unlocked one. Still didn't work. I hooked it up and said car not supported because it's 2021. And I guess the red eye Challenger and the red eye Charger got different shit, I guess. But
Don Jones be doing some weird shit.
so 970 at the wheel.
That's it?
Stock.
You don't say like shit like that. That was it. Like.
No. So, but the problem is, I haven't gotten it tuned yet because of the album. So I can only push 15 pounds.
What's up, big dog?
So I can't push it too far.
Are you gonna at least roll race tomorrow? A little fun, no? Or you gonna be looking pretty tomorrow?
I don't know. I really don't know. If I get some racing fuel.
Listen, I want to say, don't have a chance blowing up on that like that. Don't do
That's what I'm saying. I'm not.
Well, I said, it's gonna pump guys.
Huh?
You said it's gonna pump guys. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't think she's.
The only way I can race is if I get racing.
Race fuel, yeah. Yep.
So you got anybody falling out tomorrow?
I already called out who I called out.
I see that.
She ain't gonna be here.
That was a lot of smoke, you know. I seen that smoke. That was a lot of smoke.
I just want to race.
That's what's up.
So
What's so
970 at the wheel. Whenever they get done, it'll be obviously more.
So you're telling me you're gonna be ready to challenge Michael Fraser?
Hell yeah.
Oh, automatic. You know what I mean? He's stick. You automatic, so he already lost right there.
Yeah.
He already got problems. That way, I don't say he lost. He
My
got
car's
problems.
automatically faster than his. He got a challenger.
Yeah, that's true. And it's not even a red eye. He didn't start off as a red eye. But it's a twin turbo.
Actually, just talked to him. But I think everybody finna head to the Motorplex.
All right.
If you ever make your way to Jacksonville, I got somebody that'll line up with you.
Really?
Definitely got somebody. My boy Ryu, 707_Ryu on Instagram. He just raced Modification on his first street race since he got his build done.
And who won?
On low boost, my boy won. On 20 pounds, Modification pulled on.
Twin turbo he got, right?
Modification got the twin turbo, yeah. So on 20 pounds of boost, he was putting down 1076 to the wheels. But he can take it all the way up to 25, which he said makes around 1300.
No street racing.
Strictly track? Hey, we could do that. Bring it down to Orlando. Bring it down to Orlando. We could do that.
I'll be in Orlando in June.
In June? Okay. Are you going to post it on your IG or anything like that when you're coming down?
Yeah, when it get closer to the date, yeah.
For sure.
Hopefully, I can shoot with someone within next week and get my YouTube started. So.
Okay. You already got a name for the channel?
Same thing. Real number
Real number.
797.
All right.
What up, dude? Oh, what's up, son? Word up, B. I just got the train, you know what I mean? We over here chilling, B. Word up, give me a chopped cheese from the corner store or whatever. And we out here. You gonna be at the track tomorrow? Yeah, I'm gonna be at the track. I got something for you tomorrow, all right? Hey, remember, I got something for you tomorrow. Real talk. Talking about. I got something for you. I got two things for you. Is it one of these? Yes, sir. Wait, I got two things. I got that and something else. Okay.
Y'all see that boy Pimpin' TV in the building.
Hey, he's the wild, right? How y'all doing? That's your biggest fan right here. I am Pimpin'. How you doing, sweetheart? It's up here. A swift hug. How you doing? Hello. Nice to meet you. Hey, these are the women behind. Free smoke. Damn, hey, what's good? Roast him. I didn't get on here. Oh, you talking about Fat Cat? Yeah. Jordan, modern name up on his right here now. This is your sister? Oh, sorry about that. Oh, okay. Great. What is your name? Do you have an IG?
T-Rose is putting pressure. This is my first time actually seeing T-Rose with. Boy. I see that thing. Shit, big pressure. Oh, that thing is pressure. Make sure y'all check them out. Missouri. That boy CJ, boy, that track hawk is sitting dope, bro. I seen this thing in videos and in person. Look how that paint flip in the light. That's sick, bro. Check them out, man. I'm gonna post the IG right here. There's so much pressure out here, like crazy. Like, and when I tell you they showing love out here, they showing mad love to everybody out here. Like nobody's standoffish. Big time YouTubers in the building, big time. And everybody is showing love. Everybody's personable. Yo, this event is crazy. This event is awesome. This thing is super sick. boy Josh Laurent out here. That thing is hard. I know a lot of people were indifferent about the wheels that he ended up, the paint he ended up putting on the wheels. But when you see it in person, totally different, and it goes with the scheme. It's dope. It's dope. Like if y'all see this thing in person, this speechless right now. Speechless. That's hard. Make sure y'all check that boy out. Boom, right here. 392 Marco in this bit. Y'all see it right there. Make sure y'all check that boy out.
Yeah, I know who that is. That's the game. I ain't even gonna, bro, he on my page like he own my page, so we ain't even gonna shout him out on this right there. He be on that bit more than I be on there.
Man, look, y'all already know. Pilo Savage. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Enough said.
Nice.
Heavy pressure. Y'all see it?
Alright, bro, so deep it broke into a minute.
Squad right there.
Word, bro.
Hey, go and shout it out, big dog. Hey, for anybody that don't know who you are, ain't no
for some content on that track. I'm down.
Don't shout it out, big dog. For anybody that don't know, I'm surprised if nobody don't know who you are. Y'all already know CJ on 32. Go and shout it out, big dog.
Y'all know what's going on, man. It's your boy CJ on 32s out here, kicking it in Dallas. Well, I don't think we in Dallas, but I know we in Texas. So
yeah, we up in Arlington. He up here in the Snow Hawk. You know what I'm
we got the
saying?
Snow Hawk. See, look, that's a real 32 gang member. He don't
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't shout it out, big dog.
Hey, Saints Alonzo, aka the Black Boots Battle. I am him, he is I. With one of you damn well bet your ass believe we are the same. Hey, NSG, man, never stop crying, man. Don't play
For sure. Make sure y'all subscribe, big dog, man. Boy, catch that shit in the light, bro. That is sick, bro. Sick. That's the hardest rap in the game right now, hands down. You already know you got your boy Josh Laurent out there a bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already seen the wheel. Yo, real talk. I know when you drop the wheels, the paint on the wheels on your joint.
I love the rap.
The rap clean. I know you got a lot of different responses on the wheels, but like I was saying when I actually showed it on camera, when you see it in person, make a whole different statement. Whole different statement.
That's what I say. In person, it's different. It's crazy.
I do got a question though. Is that a wrap on the brake caliper or is that the paint?
That's paint.
You customize that or they did?
You know, KA Customs, you know, K.A.Customs on Instagram did my wrap, all that stuff, you know, they really be the best with it to me. You feel me? I didn't even know they was gonna paint the brakes. They just came, oh, we added a little extra touches for it.
Little flare on that bit.
The badge is reflective too. I ain't know they could do that. What you mean? All my badges on there reflective.
Shit, wasn't.
Let's go see that.
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Stand right here.
Oh shit! Damn.
Where we going?
Look at his badge.
That's hard. Look at that. Black difference.
Dude, I just ain't tired yet.
Okay. What it was like? They do rap or?
Yeah. This is name right there on YouTube.
Oh.
This is name. Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
You did say that.
Yeah, this is name. It's fire, right? With the musical notes.
That's lit, bro.
Hey, go on, shout it out, big dog.
Camera Cat, man. Make sure y'all sub my boy.
Yeah, for sure.
That's how she feel, right?
Yeah, no, it's certified, big dog. It's all good. Everybody mess that thing up, man. Hey, look, don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Y'all already know what's up. I see that, boy.
That's that boy TJ2 Live, man. That's TJ2TO Live. Y'all make sure y'all screw to the back channel. He's supposed to be working. His camera always down. Every time I see his camera down. Hey, look. What's up, bro? When that thing was Tuesday? Oh, I wish I could be here to see it, bro.
You getting that red eye?
Yes, sir.
I remember you talking about it down in Tampa. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, I was talking about it a long time.
Yeah.
By that time you had already ordered it though. Cause I think you started it January about, right?
I ordered February 11th. I remember that shit too. That shit crazy.
Oh, then you predestined.
I think I'm on the 8th week. Been waiting on that hoe. I'm talking about 6 to 7 weeks.
That boy about to get a red eye, yo.
Yeah, man, don't matter. It's frostbite.
Frostbite? Okay.
Think about the seats.
Ooh, don't hurt him.
Got the sunroof on that.
You got sunroof?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so you went with the big boy package. I know. Yeah, I told that boy.
Oh, we gotta slide up out of here.
That boy jump to that. Listen, y'all. I just gotta stay out of that area. That's my brother area, so I gotta stay over there.
That's the Barefoot area?
It ain't even that it's bad, bro. You go over there, they look at the cars, they see young black men with dreads, and then boom, boom.
Man, I got put over a while back in my charger. I had the camera, everything. My 2 cars, just for no front thing.
But y'all get hit for that a lot, though.
But they ain't say nothing about my 10. My 10 dark as hell. You can't see in there.
That be the excuse to get you out the car.
You can't see in there.
Yeah.
But they see the front end.
Cops, listen, man, we done.
All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Nice little meet, nice little pre-meet to the event tomorrow. It's gonna be a dope little, you know what I'm saying, event. Dope little event. So, but like I said, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that red button because it don't cost me, that don't cost you nothing. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram and #salute and Srtfied drip on all your pictures and videos to show support to the channel. Stay posted because I got some heat coming for y'all for this YouTube call out tomorrow. So let go. Have a good day, YouTube.